Hello and welcome to the REA tutorial. My name is Peter. Today I want to show you how to create a print layout on our Titan controller. We're going to do this to create a date, a best before date. To keep it short, we will call it BBD. Let's go. To create a print layout, we will choose the main menu. To enter the main menu, you can press the button Menu, or you can push the push jog dial in order to enter the main menu. I will push it. To create a print layout, we will choose Labels. And for sure we want to create a new label. First, the device asks us how many printheads are connected. We will choose one. It is easier for our example. To enter a content, we will press the button F3. We will create a text here. Enter the content by pressing the button F2. To change the content, we choose Value. Press the button. We will erase the value by pressing the backspace button, and with the knob we will enter the field below. I will choose the content BBD for best before date. Here you can additionally choose the arrow buttons in order to navigate on that field. We press to choose the letter. And to confirm, we press the button F1. Now we entered a field where the content is a text, but for sure we want to enter a date here. So we will choose again the label object, and to add another field, in this case a date field, a date object, we will press the button F2 and enter a date. Default, we have here different choices. To make it easier for us, I will choose the European layout for dates. Now the date is in the object of the label of the print layout. I want to choose an offset because we're dealing here with a best before date. I want to choose an offset of 5 years. To enter, you can use the button 5 or turning the knob and confirm. You see the date changes immediately. And I for sure want to have a name of my object, of my label. So again, the backspace button to erase, and press to enter the text field. Additionally, I will use the arrows. And confirm with F1. We created a label, a print layout, with the text field BBD for best before date and an actually date. Now we created a print layout with the content of a offsetted date, a best before date, and I gave it a name, so I want to save with F4, and then with the button Escape I can step back to my main menu or the main screen. This is how to create a print layout on the Titan controller. For more information, please find our contact details below. My name is Peter. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.